Mia, clean the kitchen faster.
Okay. Mom, can we go shopping later?
Of course, sweetheart.
There are so many clothes.
Do not complain.
Mom, where's my juice?
Coming, dear.
I want new shoes.
We will buy them today.
Can I come too? Only to help carry bags. This mall is huge.
Let's go shopping.
We found the animals! They are safe.
We will miss them.
Goodbye, Leo.
Goodbye, Mikey. Take care, Raphael. Wait! My bracelet is missing!
When did you lose it?
Maybe near the pool.
This dress looks perfect on Lily.
I love it. It is beautiful.
Mia, hold these bags.
These shoes are nice.
We are not buying you anything.
I want pizza!
Okay, sweetheart.
Can I have water?
Later.
I want pizza!
Okay, sweetheart.
Can I have water?
Later.